Good morning. I am Lakshmi Patay MG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Madhugiri, Tumkur District, Karnataka State. My title is Financial Accounting 2. Now I am covering the topic under session 17, royalty account, that is preparation of ledger account in the books of lessee by using without minimum rent account method. Take problem number one. Mr. Rana obtained from a landlord a patent of new product for the manufacture and sale of 5 years on the following terms and conditions. Pay a royalty of rupees 100 per product manufactured. Minimum rent is rupees 50,000 per year. If for any year royalty payable is less than the minimum rent paid, such short workings can be recouped in the next year only. So the sales and output during the first 5 years was year 2016, 17, 18, 19, 2020. Sales in units. Closing stock also given in units. Sales 200, 400, 600, 500 to 30 units. Closing stock 50, 100, 70, 150, 20. The question is prepare royalty account, short workings account, and landlord account. So before we are preparing ledger accounts, first we calculate in this problem output or production is not given. So how do you ascertain output? By using the following formula, we can calculate output or production. What is the formula? Output is equal to sales plus closing stock minus opening stock. In 2016 is equal to 200 plus 50 minus nil is equal to 250 units. In 2017 is equal to 400 plus 100 minus 50 is equal to 450. In 2018 600 plus 70 minus 100 is equal to 570. And next in 2019 550 plus 150 minus 70 is equal to 630 units. And in 2020 is equal to 230 plus 20 minus 150 is equal to 100 units. So based on the information calculated, the output we are calculating, that output we are enter to output column. In 2016, 250, 450, 570, 630 and 100 tons of output we are producing. Royalty is equal to 100 rupees per ton. So 250 into 100, 25,000. In this case, royalty is minimum, is less than minimum rent. The difference is 50,000 minus 25,000 is 25,000 is the short workings. And payment to landlord 50,000. In the year 2017, 450 is the output, into 100, 45,000 is the royalty. Royalty is less than minimum rent, so the difference 5,000 is treated as shortage. So next next years, it means 25,000 is recovery within 2 years. So in that situation, in the year 2000, in the second year, no surplus. So that reason we 25,000 of short workings is not recoverable. So transfer to irrecoverable account and 50,000 to landlord. In the year 2080, 570 into 100, 57,000. The minimum rent is 50,000. We have some surplus, 7,000 surplus, but only 5,000 short workings. Entire short workings 5,000 is recovered by using surplus amount, and remaining amount is 57,000 minus 5,000. So 52,000 is payable to landlord. In the year 2019, 630 units are output into 100, 63,000 tons. Royalty, 63,000 royalty, but minimum rent is 50,000. So the difference is no short working surplus, but recovery of short workings are nil. So entire 63,000 is payable to landlord. In the last year 2020, 100 tons of output into 100 rupees, 10,000 royalty, 50,000 minimum rent. So 40,000 short workings, and finally payment to landlord 50,000. So based on the table and calculation, we prepare ledger accounts in the books of lessee. What is the first account? Royalty account. In 2016, landlord account debtor 25,000, by profit and loss account 25,000. In 2017, to landlord account 45,000, by profit and loss account 45,000. In 2018, short workings account 5,000, to landlord account 52,000, by profit and loss account 57,000. In 2019, to landlord account 63,000, by profit and loss account 63,000. In 2020, to landlord account 10,000, by profit and loss account 10,000. Next, in 2016, we prepare Royal short workings account. In 2016, to landlord account 25,000, by balance carried down, balancing figure 25,000 is brought down to, in the next year 2017, to balance brought down 25,000, to landlord account 5,000, total debit side 30,000. Credit side, by profit and loss account 25,000, and by balance carried down 5,000. The 5,000 is the balancing figure, and that amount to be transferred in the next first year 2018 to balance brought down 5,000. The 5,000 is recovered in the form of royalty surplus, that is 5,000, and to balance brought down nil, to landlord account 40,000, by balance carried down 40,000, to balance brought down 40,000. Next, we prepare landlord account. So in 2016, to bank account 50,000, by royalty 25,000, by short workings 25,000. We paid 50,000 in the form of 2, royalty 25, short workings 25. In 2017, to bank account 50,000 in the form of by royalty 45,000, and by short workings 5,000. In the year 2018, to bank account 52,000, by royalty account 52,000. In 2019, to bank account 63,000, by royalty account 63,000. And final, in the year 2020, to bank account 50,000, by royalty account 10,000, by short workings account 40,000. So we take another problem. Bellary Coal Company undertook some coal bearing land from Mr. Hari at a royalty of rupee 1 per ton, with a minimum rent of rupees 8,500 per annum. Short workings can be recouped during subsequent 3 years. The lease, however, stipulated that in any year the minimum rent was not attained due to strike, the minimum rent was to be regarded as having been reduced proportionately, having with regard to the length of the stoppage. Once again, the lease, however, stipulated that in any year the minimum rent was not attained due to strike, the minimum rent was to be regarded as having been reduced proportionately, having with regard to the length of the stoppage. The output during the first 5 years are given year 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and tons 1000, 7000, 9500 and 11500 and 7500 in the year 2015. Strike for 3 months. The question is, prepare royalty account, short workings account and landlord account. So based on the informations, we are preparing royalty analysis table. So here output, royalty, minimum rent, short workings recouped, short workings irrecoverable, amount paid to landlord. So in the year 2011, 1000 tons into 1 rupees, 1000 is the royalty, but minimum rent is 8500 is more than royalty. The shortage is 7500 and finally paid to 8500 to landlord. In 2012, 7000 into 1, 7000, but minimum rent is 8500. The difference is the shortage 1500 and 8500 is payable to landlord. In 2013, 9500 into 1, 9500, but royalty is more than minimum rent. Minimum rent is 8500. The difference is called surplus. That surplus can be utilized for recovery of short workings. Among the 7500, only we recovery 1000 by using 2013 surplus and 8500 is payable to landlord. In the year 14, 11,500 is the output into 1, 11,500 is the royalty, but minimum rent is 8,500. In this case, royalty is more than minimum rent. The difference is called a surplus. Surplus is 3,000. So 7,500 out of 7,500 we already recovered 1,000, remaining 6,500. Now 2014 we have surplus of rupees 3,000. 3,000 is recovered and remaining balance 3,500 is not recovered because time is over. So and finally balance payment to landlord 8,500. So in the year 2015, minimum rent Tons is 7,500, even royalty also 7,500, but minimum rent is not fixed because in this problem, strike for 3 months in the year 2005, 2015. In that situation, we are using 8,500 into how many months we are working? Only 9 months. In 12 months only we are working 9 months, remaining 3 months is treated as a strike. So we have to automatically reduce the minimum rent. 8,500 into 9 by 12, that is 6,375. So 6,375 is the minimum rent and 7,500 is the royalty. Royalty is more than minimum rent. The difference is stated as surplus, and surplus can be utilized for writing off or recovery of 1,500 short workings in the year 2012. Only we have 1,125, but short workings are 1,500, but we out of which only we are recovering 1,125 and remaining 375 is transferred to short workings or irrecoverable account. And finally, we pay 6,375 amount is to landlord. The next is ledger accounts in the books of Bellary Coal Company is lessee. The first account royalty. How many tables? There are 6 columns. In debit side 3 columns, credit side also 3 columns. First we debit the to Ari's account 1,000. Ari means landlord account. By profit and loss account 1,000. Second year to Hari's account 7,000. By profit and loss account 7,000. In the 13th to short workings account 1,000, to Hari's account 8,500. Total profit and loss account credit item is 9,500. In 14th to debit side to short workings 3,000, to Hari's account 8,500. Total 11,500 is transferred to profit and loss account 11,500. In the year 2015 to short workings account 1,125, to Hari's account 6,375. Total 7,500 is the debit side total, and in credit side entire 7,500 is transferred to profit and loss account. And another account is short workings account. In the year 13 to Hari's account 7,500, balance carried on, that is balancing figure 7,500 is transferred to 2014. To balance brought down 7,500, and this year short workings in the name of Hari's account 1,500. Total short workings of 13 and 14 is 9,000, and credit side difference is 9,000. That 9,000 is treated as balancing figure, and that amount is to be transferred to in the year at beginning 2015 to balance brought down 9,000. In this year no short working, and no total 9,000 short among out of 9,000 short workings we pay royalty in the form of royalty 1,000, and remaining balance rupees 8,000 is balance brought down to year 2016 beginning. To balance brought down 8,000, and in that 2016 we have some profits, we have some surplus. That surplus is utilized for writing in the name of royalty by 3,000, and out of 8,000, 3,000 only recovery, and remaining 3,500 is not recovery because time is over. So that's why we transfer to P&L account, and remaining balance is only 1,500. That 1,500 is also brought down to next 2017 beginning. To balance brought down 1,500, and out of 1,500 in the 2017 we have some profit, we have some surplus. That surplus can be used for writing the short workings by 1,150, and remaining amount is not brought down because time is over. That 3,375 also is not irrecoverable. That we call it a transfer to profit and loss account. And finally we prepare Hari's account or landlord account. In the year 2011, we pay 8,500 to bank account, and in the in the form of 2 by royalty 1,000 and short working 7,500, total 8,500 we are paid to REs. And in the second year to bank account 8,500, by royalty 7,000 and by short workings 1,500, total 8,500 we are paid. In the 13 to bank account 8,500, by royalty entire amount is paid in the form of royalty 8,500. In 14 also 8,500 we are paying in the form of royalty and debiting the bank account and crediting the royalty account. In the 2015, same, debiting the bank account 6,375 and crediting the royalty account 6,375. So try yourself, Mr. Samai obtained a patent of new product for the manufacture and sale of 5 years on the following terms and condition. Pay royalty of rupees 60 per product manufactured. Minimum rent is rupees 1,50,000 per year. If for any year royalty payable is less than minimum rent paid, and such workings can be recouped in the next year only. Try yourself. And next, the sales and output during the first 5 years are given. Year 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, sales 2,350, 2,570, 2,460, 2,500, 2,500, closing stock 50, 30, 20, 45, 5. Prepare royalty account, short workings account and landlord account. Thank you. These are the references. Thank you very much.